Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lee. So into this video we're gonna be reviewing this hair that you see on my head. So if you want to know more about this unit that I'm wearing, make sure you keep watching.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy.
So the wig we're gonna be reviewing today is this nice beautiful wig by Bobbi Boss. You guys know that Bobbi Boss comes out with these amazing wigs and these amazing colors. So this collection is the Pro Color series, and it is part of their First Class Boss Lace collection, and the name is MLF642 PANIZ, and I got in the color TT1B/honey. And look at that color. Isn't that like the color that's on the model? It is stunning. And it's premium synthetic wig fiber, and back here it shows all the special colors and everything. And you can find this on Wig Types for, let me put it right up, for $39 for like the 1B, the natural colors and everything. But if you want any of the special colors, it will be $6 upcharge. I think it's worth it. The color, these colors are stunning. Like, look at all these colors that's here. Amazing, isn't it? But this is what she is looking like straight out of the box. This is the color I have. She is beautiful. You know, I wanted to keep it a little safe. If I like it, I would get it in another color. But she comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and you have your straps and everything. And the cap construction is very stretchy, so it should be breathable. And the lace is transparent a little bit. So I'm gonna put her on and then we'll go from there. But this is what she's looking like straight out of the pack. And we got some problems already. There are snags, like just running my finger through. It's like, you see that? We're struggling now. That's not a good sign. But this is what it's looking like. I like the parting space. You know, the lace is ear to ear, but the cap construction is a little snug. So I would say this is not big hair friendly. It's big hair associate, so just keep that in mind. But she is pretty long. Like, she is stopping me almost close to my waist, so she's definitely gonna be tangling. But we're gonna style her up and I'll give y'all my final thoughts. Alright guys, so this is what PANIZ is looking like after I've styled her. I didn't do much to it. Like, I just cut the lace and I used a little bit of this wax stick right here just to get away the contain the fly weight. But this is a pretty very beginner friendly. You don't have to do much to it at all. Like, it comes with baby hair. On here it says it comes with baby hair, but I feel like this wig you really don't need to put baby hair. You can put baby hair if you want. Like, if you want to, that's up to you, but I feel like you can get away with it. And it's laying down flatly. Like, it's nice. I like it. But it sheds. Like, it is shedding like crazy, which is quite disappointing, especially if you spend like $45 for this hair. It's supposed to be premium synthetic hair. I mean, I know it's synthetic at the end of the day, but you don't want it to shed straight out the box. You know, you want to have some few use out of it before you start shedding. But you know, then again, it's synthetic hair, so there goes that. So take it with a grain of salt. But yeah, I like it. And one thing I don't like, it's very like, this is all the hair, well, this is all the hair. The density is a little thin for my liking. A little thin. I mean, for some people that might be the perfect density, but I feel like it's just a tad bit thin, too thin for me. But I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. For the price, I will give her a 7 out of 10. That's what my rating would be. I like the color blend. Like, do you see that? The color blend is very nice. I like the little streak of blonde going down, and it has the little, you know, color in the front. It's blended really nicely, but with the shedding and the tangling, this wig is not an everyday wig. You just have to wear her on special occasions, like if you're going on date nights and whatsoever, you know. But yeah, so make sure you're following me on Instagram, and I have a TikTok account. I haven't posted up there yet a lot, you know. I'm just dipping my toes into the TikTok world, but hey, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I have a Facebook page too, so make sure you're following me there at Love Your Crown, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man tonight.